Linking your bank account to Uber Eats is a straightforward process that allows you to easily pay for your orders. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Access your account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Src to constantly monitor your email and account and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to payment options. In the account settings, look for the payment or payment methods section. This is where you can manage your payment options, including adding a bank account. Step 4. Add a bank account. Select the option to add a new payment method. Choose bank account from the list of payment options. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap Save or Add to link your bank account to your Uber Eats account. You may receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. Now you are ready to enjoy seamless payments on Uber Eats using your linked bank account. Happy ordering!